Hello everybody, my name is Radhika and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're watching me for the first time, please consider subscribing and click on that bell icon right next to it so that every time I upload a video, you will get notified about it. In today's video, I'm going to be talking or reviewing the Face Shop Rise Brand Foaming Cleanser. So if you guys want to know my honest thoughts on this product, please keep on watching. Firstly, talking about the pricing of this product, it retails for 690 rupees or 690 and you get 150 ml of product, which I feel is a pretty decent price for a brand like Face Shop. Next, talking about the packaging of this product, as you can see, it comes in this usual tube type packaging that generally cleansers come in, with a black color flip cap on it. There is all important information mentioned, like how to use and the directions and everything, and a small product description, and all of that is mentioned. But the three drawbacks of this particular packaging is that there's no manufacturing date, there is no MRP, and even the expiration date is not mentioned clearly, which is the main drawback about this. Because even if you're not mentioning expiry date, it's fine, because they have mentioned a small symbol. If you guys can see this 12M wala symbol right here, they've actually mentioned that, which means that once you open it, you have to finish it off within 12 months. But there's no manufacturing date, which is a kind of a drawback, because a brand like Face Shop should be giving a manufacturing date. I couldn't find it. If you guys can find it and point it out to me and tell me कि यहाँ पे manufacturing date मिलेगी तो ठीक है, because even on the crimp they only have the batch number and the expiration date, which is also not mentioned clearly, just by the way, the expiration date. Now coming on to my review of this product. So firstly, when we talk about the texture, trust me, the texture is really nice. It's very creamy. It has a very nice rich and creamy texture, which when used on the skin and when you wash it off, it will leave your skin feeling very soft and smooth. It gives a very nice soft and smooth and leaves your skin very hydrated as well after you've washed it off. It's all good things, but it happens to have granules in it. Now what those granules are exactly, I'm not really sure, because I tried to search that what exactly are those granules, but I couldn't find it anywhere. If you can find it somewhere, please leave it at the comment section below, because I would really like to know about it. I couldn't find anywhere that what exactly are those granules, but yes, it happens to have granules in this face wash, and the granules are pretty harsh and sharp as well. So it's not something that is recommended for people who happen to have acne prone and sensitive skin like me. I have acne prone sensitive skin, and which is why it actually broke out my skin really badly. Honestly, when I was using this, I really didn't know that it was the face wash that was breaking me out, because my skin was already breaking out at the time when I started using this product. So I really didn't know that it was actually this product that was breaking me out even more. I thought that कि यार हो सकता है कुछ और होगा, which is why my skin is breaking out. I didn't know that it was actually this that was breaking my skin out even more. Anyway, anything that happens to have granules is not supposed to be used daily at all, and this is a face wash which is technically to be used twice a day, once in the morning and once in the night. And it has granules and you're using it twice a day, and anything that has granules by default becomes a physical scrub, and physical scrubs are to be used max twice to the most thrice a week, and not more than that. So I'm not going to recommend it at all. Yes, it does make your skin feel very nice and cleansed after you've used this on your skin, but the granules are a very big put off, which is why I'm not going to recommend this to, especially to people who happen to have acne prone and sensitive skin, because it will break your skin out no matter what. Honestly speaking, there's not too much to talk about this product, because it's not something that impressed me a lot. But yes, the fragrance of this definitely impressed me, because it happens to have a very nice soothing fragrance to it, and it feels very nice. It is not something that's very harsh or that would irritate your smelling senses or your nose or anything of that sort. It's not going to irritate at all. It's that nice, it's that soothing, and after you've rinsed it off, after you've washed it off from your face, it's going to feel even more light and even more soothing, which is a really nice thing. But within a couple of minutes, that smell actually fades away and it goes away. So that's a big put off, because the fragrance is really nice. That's the only one thing apart from the texture. If you remove the granules, then the texture is actually very nice, but the fragrance is the best thing about this product because it's really nice. Now it happens to have added fragrance in this. If you don't have acne prone skin, but if your skin is sensitive, you might want to stay away from this because it has added fragrances in this and that can irritate your skin, so you might want to stay away from it. But otherwise, if your skin is not sensitive, if it's not acne prone, you should give this one a try because it's really nice. Especially people with dry skin should give it a try because it's very hydrating to the skin. Like I said earlier, I used it for quite some time and I thought that maybe, you know, it's some other product that's breaking me out, but I stopped using it because I was experimenting other products as well when I started using this. So I stopped using it for a while. When I started it again, my skin started to break out again, and that's actually when I realized that it's a face wash that's actually breaking out my skin, and it was not those other products that were breaking out my skin. And that's when I realized that maybe it's the granules in it which is actually causing a lot of damage, a lot of friction basically on my skin, which is why the skin is breaking out. And that's when I realized it's not something that should be used by people with acne prone and sensitive skin. And in any case, physical scrubs should not be used by people who happen to have acne prone and sensitive skin because it can sensitize your skin even more. It can break out your skin in ways you cannot even imagine, which is why just stay away from this. And not just this, but anything that happens to have physical granules in it, please just stay away if you happen to have acne prone and sensitive skin. It does happen to have all good ingredients. It does the job of cleansing also really nicely. It has a really nice fragrance to it as well, but the granules in it is something that actually refrains me from recommending this to someone because the granules can, irrespective of what skin type you have, the granules in it, if used daily on your skin, it can cause a lot of damage to the skin. Scrub की तरह use करना है वैसे कर सकते हो twice a week, but as a face wash, I'm not going to recommend anybody to be using this irrespective of what skin type you have. So that's about it for today's video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment down below and let me know how you like this video. I would love to hear it from you guys. Also share this video with your family and friends, and if you and your family and friends haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do that. Follow me on Instagram. The links to all my social media handles are going to be in the description box below. And if you have dry skin or normal skin and your skin is not acne prone and sensitive and you want to use this one as a physical scrub, and for all that purpose you want to purchase it, I will leave the link of this product in the description box as well so that you can go ahead and purchase it. But I'm not going to recommend you to purchase, but फिर भी अगर खरीदना है तो it's up to you, it's your choice. I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye guys, stay home, stay safe.